Hello, my name is Shiva Mingle and I am data science intern from oasis infobyte, and this is my task 1, and today I am here to present you my project which is on email spam detection with machine learning. So let's start our project. So this is my GitHub link. These are our problem statement. We have all been the recipient of spam emails before. Spam mail or junk mail is a type of email that is sent to a massive number of users at one time, frequently containing cryptic messages, scams, or most dangerously phishing content. In this project, use Python to build an email spam detector. Then use machine learning to train the spam detector to recognize and classify emails into spam and non-spam. Let's get started. At the first, we import our libraries in this project. We have used NumPy, Pandas and sklearn, and for converting text into feature vector or numerical use, we have used feature extraction and we have import TFID, F vectorizer, and we have used logistic regression. Here now is time to for data collection and pre-processing. So at first we have load our data from CSV file to our data or has data frame. Now, now we have printed our file. This is our data set. Now here uh, our data set has null values as we can see here, but these three are empty columns. It means we don't need them. Now we will replace the null values with null string, creating a new data frame. So this is a new data frame as we can see here. So here we have all null values and these null values are gone in this new data frame, and this is the ham is M means non-spam mail and spam means the spam mail, and this is the email. Now we will check the number of rows and column in our data frame. So five we have 5572 rows with 5 columns, and now we will rename some. We rename the columns as we can see how v1 v2 category. So we have two categories, yes, ham and spam, and v2 to the message. To these are the messages. Now my dot has matter. We are able to see the top 5 rows of our data set. So uh, we have category and ham spam and we have messages, and now it's time for, and now it's time for label encoding. So it is a process of converting categorical data or textual data into numerical labels. So in a machine learning and data analysis, many algorithms requires numerical inputs, and label encoding provides way to present categorical data in a format that can be easily understood by this algorithm. So we will create a label encoding as we will given spam or a numerical value of 0 and ham numerical value of 1. So now we will separate the data as a text and labels. So for x we have separate and we have assembled the message, and for y we keep the category. Now uh, printing x, as we can see here, so we have the messages, and for y we have categories. So we have made the categories 0 and 1. Now splitting the data into training data, test and data. So here we have given the x train and x test, and y train and y test, and we use the train test split function, and we have given the size of 0.2, which means 20% of data is going for test and rest of the 80% of data goes to the training set. And now we will see the x dot shape. So we have um, 5572, and for x train the training values of x we have 4457, and for x states we have 1115, which is 20% of rest is 80. Now, features of extraction. So features extraction helps us to convert text data into numerical values. So if you feed all these strings to your logistic regression model, it doesn't understood anything. So we need to convert this text into meaningful numerical values. So here we will transform the text data, the features vectors that can be used as input to the logistic regression. So after the we convert y test value and integers. So here we can see we have the change the y train and y test into integers, and this is the x train, and these are the extreme features. Now we will train the model, so we have used the logistic regression. Now training the logistic regression model with the training data. So we have trained our logistic integration. Now evaluating the train model. So we will predict on training data. So our acute easy in 96%, and now after that we will predict on test data, and our accuracy is 96%. To now we will build zero predictive system, and we have given an input of a random email, and now after that we will check whether it is ham mail or spam mail. So after running it, we will get to know it is a ham mail, which is a normal email. So thank you so much.